Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see plain handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. All these sarees are full plain sarees. We have 15 different colors in this video. We are going to see all these colors in this video. So before that, please to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. Also, please to share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. So we have 15 different colors. All these sarees are purely double up sarees, handloom made. The very first color is a baby pink color. So these sarees are 6.25 meter length, which includes blouse as well. So you will get a blouse as well in the saree. The full saree length is 6.25 meter. All over the saree you have a single color. So all our double up sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So please don't miss these collections. Please do book your saree if you want to book any of these colors. So if you want to book these sarees, please do WhatsApp us for booking. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link as well and share the screenshot for booking. All these sarees comes with a manufacturing price, so please don't miss these collections. Book your favorite saree. We do have customization as well. If you wanna book any of these sarees in a bulk order like 6 pieces, 12 pieces, we do have customization as well. You can book it with us for pre-order and you can get the sarees. So all are different different colors. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. Please do WhatsApp us for booking. All are very beautiful colors. So we do shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. Don't worry. Please do WhatsApp us for booking. We are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. So you'll be getting it in a maximum of 3 working days anywhere in India. So if you want to confirm any color confirmations, we do have video call facility as well. You can contact us and schedule a video call for any color confirmations, and after that you can book it. So all these sarees comes in a manufacturing price. Please don't miss these collections. Hope you like these collections. Thanks for watching. Thank you.